what practices? So court would say that we will determine what is essential. So what constitutes the essential practice will be as per the doctrine of the religion itself. तो EPR क्या होगा? Essential religious practice क्या होगा? What is constituted in the doctrine of the religion, that will be considered as essential religious practice. ये बात समझ में आई? ये बात कोर्ट ने कब कही? शिरूर मठ केस में कही. Okay, so शिरूर मठ case is basically when the court actually said about the essential religious practice, and it said that, you know, the essential religious practice would simply mean that those practices which are mentioned in the text of the religion, doctrine of the religion, है ना? So not as if that you have just added these practices, fringe practices. No, these practices which are part of the religious doctrine, religious text, that will be considered by us as a essential religious practice. कोर्ट ने एक बात कही. फिर इसको एक बार और आगे बढ़ाते हैं. आनंद मार्ग केस. और इसमें कोर्ट ने एक और पॉइंट ऐड कर दिया, that practice is essential which exists in the religion since its inception. Okay, that practice is essential which exists since inception. Now people were critical of it because they thought that this actually does not take into account the evolutionary nature of the religion. Some practices might have evolved over times, but to say that only those practices will be preserved which are in the list of essential practice, then what about the evolutionary nature of religion? How do you preserve the evolutionary nature of religion? So I think this is also a bit controversial. You know, on this issue, there are some controversies. People are still not very happy with this judgment because they say that a religion like Hinduism will be very hard to find out that when did it come into existence. So how would you then say that this is an essential practice and something is not? You know, because it's very difficult to identify the inception year of Hinduism. And so there may be many practices that might have evolved over times.